Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to extract text from images without any additional software on Windows 11. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So for example, we have this image and we want to copy this text. We press Windows Shift S. We just select this text and open the snipping tool. And then we have this small button. We press it and then we can copy all text and it that easy. To take the screenshot, you also can use the print on your keyboard. This one. But without this Windows button. Just press the button, you can do the screenshot. Or I like more the Windows Shift S. So hopefully this video was useful for someone. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.